The tiles we use for decoration purposes are usually made of ceramic. Although a type of natural clay, the manufacturing of these tiles from raw materials to finished product generates various environmental hazards to both earth and human beings. The major environmental impact of the ceramic tiles is air pollution, which leads to several impacts on earth like ozone layer depletion, global warming, acidification, as well as eutrophication. It also affects livelihoods of human beings directly when they are exposed to the environment filled with nano and ultrafine particles produced by manufacturing the ceramic tiles. Production processes also include high energy consumption. We therefore present an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and easy-to-process alternative with these aesthetic mud tiles, which also promotes rural culture and provides new prospects of training locals for self-employment.